Your I Ching Spectrum Astrology birth chart and report are custom designed for you based on your birthday. It contains the astrological activations for your profile, design aspects, personality, powers, gifts, uniqueness, passion, life tasks, possibilities, destiny, and keys for life fulfillment. It includes a 16-page report with a 4-page introduction that highlights the most important overall theme of your design and gives an overview of your unique activations. There is a landscape and portrait version available. You will also receive an introduction booklet to I Ching Astrology and a 20% discount voucher on the site. The report and poster are tools for self-development, the process of self-realization, and the light alignment that will allow you to integrate aspects of your light body to expand your consciousness. The profile is compatible with astrology, I Ching, the human design system, and the gene keys. The I Ching is Chinese and the oldest of all the classical divination systems from around 800 BC. It is also the oldest book in the world and based on simple binary with 64 themes. It provides insightful wisdom, answers to questions, and can be used as a guide for contemplation. Please note that this is a custom design and the report is part of an intuitive process which takes time. The current average time for delivery is 3 to 4 business days. The birth chart is compatible with the human design and gene key systems that use the Swiss highly accurate astronomical calculation engine. Human design relies on the tropical zodiac and its precise calculations, especially for the 88-degree Sun and Earth aspects of the incarnation cross. These calculations are different to the sidereal time measurements. If you would like a birth chart that uses a different calculation, please include the information when you send your birth date information. Thank you so much. You can order online at nataliestrasberg.com.